Hi, Attorney Roy Oppenheim. I would like to talk to you a little today about the Oppenheim Law Concierge Program for small and mid-sized businesses and companies that are just starting. And during what is really called the Great Resignation, what we have found is as people are leaving their jobs and they're coming out of the pandemic, many people are starting their own businesses and have decided that they don't necessarily want to work for someone and want to pursue that American dream. And in doing so, one of the things that people really need is good legal counsel up front so that a small mistake that's made up front doesn't become a large mistake later on. And what we have found is that people really don't want to pay the high hourly rates that our firm and other law firms have that is a typical billing model. And so we have come up with a new concept that we've been working with now for 2 years and probably have about a dozen clients already that have decided to participate in the program. And what it is basically a flat fee that's paid to our firm monthly, and it gives you basically a limited amount of phone calls and us reviewing your contracts, whether it's your purchase agreements, your vendor agreements, your terms of use, your agreements with any other parties, your landlord, your leases, basically anything. And then when questions come up, instead of making a mistake and having to pay tens of thousands of dollars later to an attorney to undo the mistake you made, by simply making that phone call, you continue to grow. And what you don't want to have is a situation where you're doing beautifully and the company's doing great, and because you didn't consider the importance of having good advice and good counsel from someone who's been in business and has been representing clients now for over 30 years, to have them at your side and to ask them questions so that you could move forward, you end up having a situation that you kind of veer off course because of a mistake that you made at the beginning. A small mistake at the beginning puts you completely off course. If you're able to stay on course, you'll be very, very successful. And so if you're going to take the jump, and if you're going to be part of this movement of this great resignation and start your own business, it behooves you to make sure that you have good counsel at your side, and that you have counsel that you don't feel uncomfortable calling with any questions, smart questions, stupid questions. It doesn't matter, because you won't be charged every time you engage that person. The traditional relationship has a barrier because you don't want to make that call because you don't want to get that stupid bill. I know what it's like. I've been on both sides of the equation. The concierge program is now here at the right time, right place for you as a business person as you decide to explore your options as an entrepreneur. And of course, what kind of company you're going to have, who your partner's going to be, how you're going to raise money, it goes on. And you want someone who can assist you all the way through this process. So feel free to call me. I'm Attorney Roy Oppenheim. Me and my wife and law partner, Ellen Pulaski, and then my partner, Jeff Sherman, are the ones who put this program together. So feel free to call any of us at 954-384-6114. Again, you can ask for Roy, Ellen, or Jeff. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.